Hello everyone, today we are going to study how to upload and download parameters. For uploading and downloading parameters, this LCD display will act as a memory device. Like you can save the parameters from drive to this LCD display, and similarly from this LCD display you can flash parameters to the control card or to maybe different other drive. To save parameters in this LCD display, you need to go to LCD settings. LCD settings you can go by pressing enter. After that, with the help of vertical scroll key, you can go to parameter backup settings. After that, you can see 3 files, so you can save up to 3 different sets of parameter. If I check with backup 2, I'll just press enter. It will show me options for upload and download. Upload will be uploading parameters from control card to this LCD display. Download will be downloading parameters from this LCD display to control card. So, right, first of all, we will create a backup from control card to LCD. So I'll press the upload function. After pressing upload, you can see the parameters are getting upload from control card to drive. 100% will show success. After this, we have options to enter time and date also. If I enter some random date like 4, okay, so you can see there is a backup has been created for particular date. So up to 3 backups you can create. Similarly, if you want to download parameters from LCD to drive, what we need to do is to go to one of the backup and press download. So download will be initiated from LCD to drive. So 100% will show a completion message. So the parameters can be uploaded and downloaded in this manner. Similarly, we have one more function. If we see in programming mode, we have parameter A005. This is copy parameters. This is also one method to upload and download parameters, but this can be done only with the help of USB stick. Or what we call as an uploading and downloading uploading and downloading tool. With the help of this tool, you need to insert that tool in the control card. It's like a USB device. It acts as an USB device. So using that device, you can just plug into a control card and you can upload and download the parameters. You can just carry that device to anywhere and you can enter those parameters in multiple drives. Similarly, in this method, you need not carry the keypad. You can just carry that stick. So for that, you need to, for similar that also we have same functions like parameter upload. Upload will be from, this will show error as I have not connected the stick. And similarly, we have parameter upload option and download option. So these are the 2 ways with which you can upload and download parameters, and you can copy parameters from a single drive to multiple drive, or you can create a backup for safety purpose. That's it. Thank you for watching the video, and For other functions, you can watch our different videos.